Hey, what's up everybody? In this quick tutorial, we're going to talk about how can you leverage dashboards and custom reports inside of HighLevel. Now, these dashboards and custom reports not only help you to be transparent about your performance with your clients and help you share these reports easily, but it also helps you as a business to make key decisions based on the data provided. And the best part is these are available on all three plans of HighLevel. So if you take a look at my screen here, I'm under the dashboard section of my HighLevel account. And as you can see, I have a dedicated dashboard for email performance, and it gives me an overview of what is happening in my account. So I don't have to guess. I can just look at my email performance across the account, apply a date range filter if I want to check for specific time range. But you can see that it gives me real value to see how many emails I'm delivering, how many are being clicked on, what is our reply rate, and things like that. In a similar way, you can set up custom reports inside of HighLevel and then schedule them in a frequency that you want so that your clients don't have to follow up or ask for updates, and you are being proactive in sharing this data, which will of course establish more trust and transparency in your working relationship. So if you're an agency owner or even a SaaS business, this is definitely something that you should be leveraging inside your business, and you can access this in all three plans of HighLevel and establish more transparency in your business. That was about this video. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to go through our help talks or visit our official YouTube channel.